Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be taking a look at some of the best cases available for the Samsung Galaxy A9 2018. We do have subtitles available on this video for the region seen here. If you'd like to enable this feature, simply select your region from the settings below. Starting off our lineup, we have the official Samsung wallet cover. Definitely a great option. This cover comes in black, blue and pink. On first impressions, this is a really nice cover. It offers full all-round protection to the A9, keeping it safe from any blemishes. The material has a premium finish, making the phone look great in all situations. I love the card slot on the inside. Being able to keep cards and train tickets close is very practical when I need them at a moment's notice. It would have been nice to see a stand feature for media viewing, however Samsung have done a really good job of keeping this case very slimline, so it maintains a sleek look and feel. The A9 sleep wake feature also works flawlessly with this case. Just simply open and close it to wake and lock the phone. This is really handy for preserving battery life by sending the phone to sleep when it's not in use. Easily an option to consider, this keeps all areas of the A9 protected at all times, and the added convenience of card storage is a bonus. Up next we have the MeshTex case from Elixir. An interesting option for sure. This offers protection from bumps, knocks and scratches. When I first put this on the A9, I was quite surprised at how slim it is. It doesn't take anything away from the feel of the phone and gives you an added sense of grip. While this may not be my go-to case for a phone, it's certainly a good option for maintaining the slim design of the A9. Something I found interesting is the little holes in the back. They help to dissipate any heat emitted from the A9, keeping it cool and optimizing performance. This is definitely a great option. The design is very subtle and it doesn't get in the way of any of the phone's features, which is exactly what you want from a phone case. Moving on now to Elixir's carbon fibre case. This option has to be one of my favourites. On first impressions, this case feels incredibly slim and well fit into the phone. It does a great job of protecting the back and sides of the phone while giving access to all of its features. With very tactile button covers, you can use the A9 as though it isn't in a case, which is definitely an advantage. The carbon fibre design offers an executive and very premium look, making your phone look perfect for all occasions. With a slight raised lip, you can place your A9 face down without scratching the screen, which is a bonus. This is incredibly lightweight. It feels almost invisible and adds extra grip to the phone too. I think this is an ideal option for anyone wanting great protection while giving their phone a stylish and premium look. Next up we have the Olixar Ultra Thin Clear case. Quite possibly the most simplistic case in this lineup, this is a great option for anyone wanting light protection for their A9. I think it's great how the sleek design of the phone can shine through with this cover, making your phone look great no matter where you go. With durable and long-lasting material, the A9 can survive a bump or two while maintaining its pristine condition. My favourite thing has to be how invisible this case seems. Once on, you can barely tell it's there and it doesn't get in the way of any of the features of the phone. Everything is easily accessible with this, which is definitely something I look for in a case. This would be the perfect addition for anyone wanting some protection for their phone while maintaining its sleek look and feel. Finishing up our lineup, we have the Delta Armour Protective Case by Elixir. More suited to those with an active lifestyle, this cover provides exceptional protection from drops, bumps and scratches. While this is quite a rugged case, it doesn't add too much bulk to the feel of the phone, allowing you to use it just as you would without a case. I think the two-tone material adds a sense of style, making the A9 look perfect in every social setting. With a textured finish, you get an improved grip of the phone, which not only adds to its security, also feels great in the hand. Most protective cases tend to make it a little difficult to use the phone. However, the Delta Armour case has incredibly tactile button covers and cutouts for all of the A9's features, which is definitely a bonus in my opinion. This is certainly a great option for anyone leading an active lifestyle. It not only offers rugged protection, but it also looks great too. That's all we have for our look into the best cases for the Samsung A9 2018. Let us know your favourites in the comments below. For more information or to even purchase any of the cases featured in this video, I'll leave a link in the description and comments.